Hello friends, welcome to SGT classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the quadratic equations and how to find the values of a, b and c, these real numbers a, b, c in the quadratic equation by converting the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's start from the first example. Okay, so there are only 3 examples I have written, and we'll talk about more examples, but see the first example, 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Okay, so from this equation first we have to convert this equation in the form of general form of the quadratic equation. So therefore I will write this equation here. I will tell you one thing, see that 10 minus y square, okay, we will take that to the LHS. Okay, this is on the RHS, we will take that in the LHS. Okay, so minus y square will be y square plus y square, and this plus 2y, as it is already on the LHS, and this 10 plus will be minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so then you have to compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then you have to write the values. Okay, so I am just writing this one time, you have to write this statement for every equation. Okay, so therefore a is equal to 1, because a number or a variable without any number its value is always is equal to 1. Okay, then a is equal to 1, then b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 10. Okay, so these are the values for the first equation. Okay, now see, similarly you have to convert this equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's start. So first bracket will solve. So x minus 1 bracket square a minus b bracket square, you will use that formula. So first number square minus 2 into first number into second number, so it is minus 2x, and then second number square, it is plus 1. Okay, so is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, now see that this 2x plus 3 is on the RHS, we will take it in on the LHS. Therefore I will write x square minus 2x plus 1. See, this statement remain as it is. Okay, because we are going to take only RHS statement to the LHS, and this 2x plus minus, it will be minus, and plus 3 will be minus, so it is minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x square remains as it is, therefore x square remains as it is, minus 2x, it will minus 4x plus 1 and minus 3, it is minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, you have to just do the calculation in a proper way, you'll get the proper values for the a, b and c. Okay, now the third equation is there. So first we'll solve this bracket, and then we'll proceed to next. Therefore x square plus 5x, this bracket I will solve first, is equal to, this minus sign is there, so minus 3 and plus x. So now plus x minus 3, it is on the RHS, we will take it on the LHS. Therefore x square plus 5x, this minus 3 will be plus 3, and this minus x is equal to 0. Therefore x square 5x minus x, it is plus 4x, and plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 3. Okay, so in this way we have to find the values. Okay, but one thing you remember, that during the calculation or during this solving this equation, you have to just concentrate on the given equation, and you have to do the proper calculation, so you'll get the correct values of a and b and c. Okay, we'll solve some more example, and then we'll complete this topic, how to find the values of a, b, c in the quadratic equation. Okay, so 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. So I will solve this first. Okay, so this whole values will take on the LHS. Therefore 3m square, this plus 2m square will be minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So I will get 3m square plus minus 2m square, sorry, 3m square minus 2m square, it is m square plus 9. So there is no, the value of m is not given, so 0m and plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, if the value of any factor is not given, then you have to add the 0 at the place of that particular factor in the quadratic equation. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 9. Okay, you have to find the values like this. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, remember that if the value of any factor from x square plus bx plus c is not given, at the place of that factor you have to take 0 and then you have to take that value in this case a, b, c. Okay, so now this is the fifth equation. Therefore first we will solve this bracket. Always remember, if bracket is given, solve. Okay, 3 into p, I will get 3p, and p into 6p, I will get 6p square is equal to minus 5. So rearrange this 6p square, I will take first, then this plus 3p, and this minus 5 will be plus 5 on the LHS. Okay, so this is the given equation. Now therefore a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Okay, in this way you have to solve this. Okay, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. This is the last equation and this is very easy. Now only you have to take this value of 13 on the LHS. Therefore x square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 0x, if the x is not given, take 0x, minus 9 minus 13, it will be minus 22 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 22. So in this way you have to solve this equation. So this is one of the equation from the 10th standard quadratic equation practice set 2.1. This is the third equation and the fourth equation we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, so please try to understand the equations and how to solve this equation to find out the values of a, b, c. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. साथ में बेल आइकन बटन को दबा दीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की जानकारी आपको ऑन टाइम मिलती रहे. थैंक्स एंड कीप वॉचिंग. हैव अ नाइस डे.